In front of me is Realme C75, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line and drag it down to see all of your shortcuts. Once you do, look for Auto Rotate 1 and click on it. As you can see, mine turned white. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut until it's blue. Quick tip, you can also go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Then scroll again and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate to turn it off or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!